Did you know this video was created entirely using AI?
Oh my god, I can't believe it. It looks so real, like a beautifully shot video.
The video you just saw was created using the video generation with audio tool in Hypergrow. Let's see how you can make stunning videos like this yourself. You'll find this tool in the plugins section. Here, I've entered a detailed prompt describing exactly what I want in the video. This includes the visuals, the setup details, and even the dialogues I want the character to say. Remember, the more details you provide, the better and more accurate your output will be. Inside, there are 2 modes you can choose from based on your requirement. For standard quality videos, use standard mode. For professional level output, go for the pro mode. Keep in mind, both modes consume credits differently. You'll also see 3 helpful prompt options. Improve prompt enhances the quality of your existing prompt. Suggest prompt gives you an idea to start with. Random prompt generates something completely new, perfect for quick trials. You can also add your own assets to the video if you'd like. Currently, this feature supports only a 16:9 aspect ratio, and each video will be 8 seconds long. Once your prompt is ready, simply hit the Generate button and wait a few minutes. And there you have it. Your video will appear right in front of you. You can preview it, check if everything looks good, and then download it for use. I hope this tutorial gave you a clear idea of how the tool works. Now it's your turn. Explore, experiment, and start creating amazing videos with Hypergrow.